2015 GMC Sierra 1500 Z71 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it, there's factory converters there and there, then a third converter there, and he's got 3-inch pipe. He didn't want it too loud, so we put on it for him a CARVEN exhaust type R series performance muffler. It's a 3-inch in, 3-inch out, part number CVE SR30. There'll be a link in the description for it. Proudly made in the USA with 304 stainless steel. Then we added a Y pipe to it, 2.5 to 2 1/4. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side, there and there. And he was going with stainless steel, and then he's like, nah, everything's black badged. So the tips got a match. So we did 5-inch black rolled tips there and there, as you guys can see. And there's the CARVEN. Like always, guys, if you like it, comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe, please. Keep our videos going. We're trying to reach 100,000, so, and then after that, 1 million. Anyways, there's the muffler, tailpipe, and resonator we cut off. That's before, that is after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's nice. Oh yeah, that's really nice. What do you guys think? Let us know. There's sound decibels. Again. That sounds good. 102, perfect. It's not too loud, it's not gonna drone too much. You got that deepness in it, you know? Those tips help it too, the 5-inch tips. That looks clean. Came out really nice. All terrain GMC. What do you guys think of the CARVEN R's? I think it sounds phenomenal. Got that nice pearl paint to it too. Let you guys hear it on the inside. What do you call it? He's got an exhaust leak. GMC Sierra all terrain. Oh wow, it sounds like a jet. Oh, I like it. That was awesome.